With the newest version of the QuietCool Smart Control app, you now have the ability to share your fan to another user via email. This will allow additional accounts to control your attic fan when they are within Bluetooth range. This feature is very beneficial for owners of rental properties or to share your fan with other family members within the home. To share your fan to another user, first tap on the fan that you would like to share. Then tap Fan Settings. Now tap Manage Fan Sharing. From here you can add an email address for the individual you would like to share your fan with. Once you have entered their email, they will receive an email letting them know that a fan was shared with them. The new user will then need to download the QuietCool Smart Control app and register an account with the same email address. Once they are registered, they will see their fan in the account as a shared fan. As a user of a shared fan, they will be able to control all aspects of the fan, except for adding additional users or performing a factory reset. To remove a user from your fan, simply swipe left on their email address and tap Delete.